Turn off the fan so you guys can hear me. Welcome back, everybody. Last video we went camping. We did all that. Everything made it back okay. It's hot here, like really hot. I think 33 or 34 degrees. Anyways, good morning. Good to see you guys again. Today I got another project I bought because it came up on cheap from Marketplace. I thought it was pretty cool, so you tell me what you guys think. So this is a Soaring Eagle Monster Moto, which is kind of, I didn't even know they existed. I thought it was a Mega Moto, just like the original version, but it was an electric one, so it's got different, it's a little different, honestly. But it's got a 250 watt little motor in it, engine. I can't remember if it's a motor. Yes, I think it's motor for electric. It's got that in it. No batteries. The batteries are junk. So today, I'm gonna wire up 2 drill batteries to see if we can get this thing going. Because if you're the same thought as me, I think Ryobi batteries would be way easier than running expensive batteries that you buy off Amazon, because all of those start to add up real quick, right? For anything that's like 48 volts or 24 volts. This is only a 24 volt system, 2 12 volt batteries, but I'm not settling for that. And if we use drill batteries, we can just swap them out. Basically, endless power, because I'll just buy more drill batteries and carry a backpack. That way, we can like actually go places with this thing. It's for Autumn, my littlest one. She's gonna learn how to ride a mini bike after this, I hope. She's always liked the mini bike. She's one of my biggest supporters. So this is for you, little awesome possum. I'm gonna build you a little electric mini bike. And then after that, I think we're gonna stuff a 79cc gas engine on it. We'll see. Okay, let's bring it in the shop. Tiny little mini bike. It's cool. Super small. It's like a micro mini bike. Yeah, micro mini bike. Okay, let's get it, you know, up on something. So it's flat. So we get a block.
That's my mini bike.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I told him that. So this one's for Autumn. And if I make it strong enough for everybody to ride. We'll pull some parts off. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna move this little cover. This is where the batteries used to go. I cleaned it all up when I brought it home, so it is actually cleaned. Here's the other side that comes off. Spin it around. This is one of the cool things about this bike, is like, it doesn't weigh anything. Okay. Show you what we got. Okay. This is what we got here. No batteries. Just goes to this. Which, no bueno. Okay. I'm gonna get 2 batteries. I'm gonna try and see if we can fit them in that pan. So, in order for this to work, I need 2 of these, because these are 18 volts, it's 24 volts. We're gonna overpower the shit out of this controller and just hope everything holds together. The motor and the controller, we'll just replace if they burn out. Right now, this thing isn't doing anything. We can't ride it at all. I don't like it. Oh, yeah, drop that there. I should mention I did wire up these 2 with a fuse. So like these are 2 old drill, one's a reciprocating saw and one's a drill. I wish I would have went with a drill battery. You ever do this and you break your own off? The drill battery has bigger wires. I didn't know. Okay, so this is what I got to run the wires. These wires, got it? Okay. See what I'm seeing? I don't know if you're seeing that. Okay, it's fine. So I just gotta figure out how am I gonna do this so these can come on and off, you know, quick. Because honestly, you wanna be able to slap them in and out. Hey, I got an idea. What if we came up through the bottom? I made 2 big ass holes right in here, so that when you smack them in, this comes through. I don't mind that. Bang, straight in. You get what I'm saying, right? Like you'd be able to pull them in and out quickly. And then you wouldn't be yarding on these wires either. they'd be nice and permanent in there. Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? It's fucking annoying. Is that ever gonna come off there? Maybe. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. You guys won't have to watch it. It'll just be like bang and it'll be done. And I'll be all stoked. And you'll be like, whoa, and I'll be like, yeah. And I'll be like, no. It's just test smears. See, she wants to come off maybe. She's in a different camera angle. I gotta clean this up and bend it straight. Okay, so flat disc. Are you okay? I think you guys must have died somewhere in there. Okay. Anyways, I took that pan out from inside there. Okay, here's the pan. I cut 2 squares. I mean, I horrifically hacked 2 squares into the bottom of it. Am I proud of that? No. I could weld it up, but I'm not gonna, because it only holds 2 drill batteries, so I'm not too worried about it. I could have cut that a little cleaner. Yes, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Everybody watching. It's hot in here today, okay? In the heat of battle and Gorilla Tape, you're not messing around. Okay, Try the other way, maybe, Does fit that way better. This one going through. I'm just doing a mock-up so we can see if I'm actually gonna, is this gonna work? Kind of. Sort of. Maybe. Parents. I'm an idiot. Haha. Now we got it. Those will clear each other. Look at that. With some duct tape and some bubble gum, we're in business. Go ka-chow. Tell me you guys see that. It's factory, guys. It's bloody factory. If I didn't tell you that I had done that, you'd never know. They're even yellow, kind of-ish, greenish. Kind of? That's pretty sick. Okay, let's weld this in. Definitely didn't get it at all that time. Leave this mask on. Well, anyways, what do you guys think? Not bad. I'm gonna start wiring it, and you guys can come back after we go test drive this thing. Basically, all I'm gonna do now is put everything back, so you guys can chill. I'm gonna hook up all the wires and all the batteries, and all the panels and all that stuff. So you guys get to chill. I'm gonna put you on a time lapse. Let's go. not a big fan of electricity, and I don't know if this is gonna work. So I charged both of these batteries. These are only the 2 amp hour, but you can go to like a 4 amp hour of the same 18 volts and just keep on going. But this is what I got. They're cheap off Amazon anyway. So I'm gonna undo the panel, slam these into this thing, because I'm sketched about the wiring, okay? I Googled it, but it's super sketchy. So I'm gonna throw these in and tell me if we catch fire. Woo, sketchy. Okay, ready? Almost one. Ready? Here we go. One. Nothing. Okay, ready? No, it's okay. Ready? Here we go. No, I don't know. They're in there. They're on. I think I'll leave the cover panel off for a minute until we know if it's going to burst into flame. And I should zip tie those batteries down when if this does run. Ready? Lit up green. Oh, it's showing a battery light. I don't know if that's good. No, no. Is there anything else you have to throw on in order to kick her on? There shouldn't be. Try again. So I guess I'm buying a bigger controller because no go.
Controller or battery?
After some Googling, I'll be right back. Goldfish. Come on, little controller. No go, Joe. Boo. And that's the end of this video until I get a new controller. I'm going to probably buy a new 48 volt, yeah, what is it? 36 volt controller. I think it's like 36 to 48 is what the controller is rated for next. And maybe even a bigger than 250 watt engine. Little motor. Yeah, little motor. Sorry I didn't get it running, guys. So if you guys ever want to try this, the 36 watts is not enough power, which is weird because I've seen a guy do it with 40 volts and his came on. So I'm wondering what the hell. I might tinker with it a bit more. I'll let you know if it spins. If it moves at all, I'll let you know. Or if it starts to catch fire.